October 30th, 2020, and right now we're experiencing Hurricane Zeta that just came up from New Orleans. We're getting rain. Western Mass is getting snow. It's 11:30 in the morning, and I'm going to drive down through downtown Chatham in my Jeep. Let's go see if there's big waves down at the lighthouse. Alright, so let's go. It's cold too, by the way. It's like 50, freezing. I know it's noisy. This is my 1988 Jeep YJ Jalopy. It's an oldie but goodie. Alright. Downtown Chatham. Nobody here hardly. Like I said, this is during Hurricane Zeta. I'll come back down through town tomorrow when it's sunny. You can see there's no leaves on the trees. They have been blown off. The Wild Goose has a outdoor dining area. There's the pumpkin people. There's Chatham Square. Closed. Candy Manor. No line today. Mayflower. And this is all new for people who haven't been here for a couple years, few years. Yeah. All right. Everything's closed pretty much. But we'll go down to the lighthouse and see what's going on down there. So we painted it lime green. That was a few years ago. There's the most beautiful tree right there at the big beach. Check out the gale force winds. Double flag. Okay, I accidentally stopped my video, but check it out. It's like see the waves over there? Pretty big. But the outer beach is still intact, so that's cool. See the dune shacks. See the flag flying over there. I'm not going to get out, it's too cold and windy. It's like it's an outgoing tide. Pier, see what's going on down there. Love. Look how beautiful it is. Looks like a bonsai tree. Whoa, was that lightning I just saw? That looked like lightning. There is a thunderstorm coming through. Wow. That's intense wind and rain. Look what it's doing to my door. Must be high tide. Go down the fish pier and see. Oh, yeah, it's wicked high tide. Extreme high tide. Oh, it's a dead seagull. See my friends down here. at the fish pier, and it's not quite high tide, another half hour, but as you can see, it's pretty high. Hurricane Zeta. It's 12:18 or 12 o'clock, October 30th, 2020. Look at the seal. They're like, what? I'm gonna leave my fan on so I don't get clogged up. The lone seagull. Big wave just came in. Yard, October 30th, Hurricane Zeta. Sorry about the bumps, but there's some big holes here. see the cottages over there. There's one right there, it looks fine. I think that's the Long Cottage. And then the Smith Cottage is over there. And it looks like it might have a little bit of a break way over. Can't see it with my... let's see. There it is right there. Looks like a break right there. Could be a new break here in Chatham. Hurricane Zeta, October 30th, 2020. Stay warm, everyone. Alright, let's go down Wharf Road and see what's happening down there. Lady's waving me down. Oh yeah, flooded again. Wow. Yep, just like last time. Oh, somebody came through. Hurricane Zeta, October 30th, 2020. High tide, Chatham, Mass. The last big storm, the water was all the way up to here. Oh, these people are going through salt water. It's a private property sign. It's funny. So yeah, not as bad as it was last time, but... This is that house that was affected with the last big storm we had, and I'm sure the water was probably up to the base of that. I'll come back once the storm's gone later on today and do some more footage. So it's not as bad down here. Not as bad as last time, so that's good news. And our last stop is going to be down at Scattery Beach. This is a tidal pond. It's full. Scattery Road, Town Landing. So this is where Chatham Pleasant Bay opens up to the big water out at Nauset Beach, the outer beach here in Chatham. Lots of birds hunkered down. Boy, the wind's just whipping. See if I can turn so I can see the outer beach. Alright, now you can see the outer beach. Well, you can see the opening, the pass here in Chatham. See it way out there. See the waves? That's the opening. There's right there's the Nauset Beach on the left, and then the big opening out there. See the bird struggling to fly there.